Hey, Monkey Boo. You ready for your treat, Boo? You ready for your Saturday treat? I got your Spongebob towel in case you want to use this, okay? Look what I got you, Boo. It's a popsicle. It looks like it's just water, but it's actually flavored water. Oh, is it good? Mmm. It is a tasty popsicle, Boo. You need a rock to break some up? You want to get you a rock? If you want to eat it like that, we're going to have to use some rocks to break it up, okay? I'm not going to keep biting into that. You ready? Look. Oh, look, Boo. You broke you off a piece. You need this? Go ahead. There you go. Break it up. Good job, Boo. You see, I'm making it into a slushy. Is it good? You broke it up into little pieces, Boo. Yeah. That was a big chunk. Boo, this is going to be one of your favorite snacks in the summertime. When it's nice and hot, you love these. Right? Yeah. It's like I love them all the time. SpongeBob towel's coming in really handy, right, Boo? Oh, go ahead. You want me to break you off another piece, sir? Oh, I broke it all up, Boo. I have. Where's it? You're so smart, Boo. That is amazing. So this water here, it's actually water, but has a little bit of flavor to it. It tastes pretty good, yeah. But it's like very, very healthy for these guys. It has nothing in it. Little Happy thinks he's supposed to get a piece too. You hear him over there? Oh boy, Boo. Here, you gonna break that one? Now keep going. You're so smart. I knew to bring the SpongeBob towel. I remember you told me, it's like, if I'm gonna eat that ice, grab the SpongeBob towel. I did it for you. I know. Big head whips. Yeah. Thank you, Boo. Here, break this one up. Put it in your towel. Here. Break us both a piece off, okay? Okay. All right. Hey, man. Get me a piece out. Here. Hey, man. Boo, you're not going to hand me the piece you just took out of your mouth. Hand me a piece out of there. Give me one. Here. Boo, give me a bite. That's all right. You can't break this giant one up. It's too big, Boo. You can't do it. You can't break that one up. It's too big, monkey. He's like, really? With a couple of head whips. Give me a bite. Look, you got some big pieces there. Give me one. Give me a bite. Thank you, Boo. Good boy. You got a kiss for me? Oh, nice and cool. Oh, boy. Was this fun, Boo? Here you go. We'll play some outro music. Break this piece up for me. You can't do it, Boo. Break that for me. Boo, that is amazing. Look, monkey hair. Thank you guys for watching. Boo said this is a tasty, ice cool video, right, Boo? Hey, give me kisses. Good boy. Oh, alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Boo said, make you some water popsicles, they're good.